Hey everyone, welcome back, y'all. We are back hoping to do 2 videos today. This one is just going to be a week in what we need to do in this house. This will not include my kids' homework because Philip and Jessica are on 2 different programs. It's just things we need to get done around the house, things I need to do for Etsy. And if I don't make out a list, then we're going to be in trouble. So before we get started, I've showed these in the past. I'm trying not to cough, y'all, but excuse me. I knew that was going to happen. I do want to talk about these stickers. Now, I've been online several times, and I've seen listings for stickers like these. And, y'all, they're in the range of like $35 for stickers for the months of the year and the dates. So I've decided that I am going to pull this kit out here. This I did get on Amazon. If I can link it down below in the description box, I'm definitely going to do it for y'all. This was about $9 or so after taxes. I did get free shipping because I am a Amazon Prime member. But y'all, try to cut down on your expenses, you know? So this is something that me and Jessie are going to do today. I've got her here with me. The other component I have here, and I absolutely love this. I did order this off of Etsy because it just seemed cheaper, believe it or not, than it was on Happy Planner. And this was a 50-page to-do list. And was that the water jug?
Yeah.
Y'all, you hear that glute glute? That was our Chihuahua's 1-gallon water jug over there. With that being said, because it's a doggy dispenser, water dispenser, I absolutely love this. It was already pre-punched for me with the little discbound here, and on the back side it's got a sheet on the back. I love the paper thickness to this, and I got this, I believe it was $8 for a 50 pack. So absolutely love this. Not saying that you can't get great deals on Etsy, definitely can, but you need to pick and choose your battles when it comes to Etsy, because y'all, I can't imagine paying $36 for months of the year and date dots, y'all. I just can't see doing that, but look at y'all. This is the February one, right, Jess?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, look at these. I'm going to show you these too. Jesse's going to go ahead and take care of Gia for a minute. Gia's a little bit on the whiny side. She's getting ready to take her meds. Tucker's got to take his heart medication. This house is a mess, y'all. Okay, so hopefully I showed that to you guys all in the right direction. If I didn't, come at me in the comments. It's all good. All right, Jesse, we're going to go ahead and put February at the top, over here in the right-hand corner. And then I want dates number 15 through 21. Guess what we're going to work on for today. The kids are feeling better. As I said, I am feeling better. It's just taking us a little while to get over this. And, y'all, oh my gosh, I'm so happy we're getting over this. We've got a lot to get done today, a lot of videos to do. I did have an order come in from Etsy that I need to go ahead and get done today. Okay. It is a custom order. Did you put February up here, honey? And then 15 through 21 if you can get it on there. We have a lot of things going up in our Etsy shop finally today. Some minor corrections I need to make on some things before I get them put up. But we do have quite a bit going up in our shop today. Polar Friends will be making its debut on our shop today, along with hopefully our game pack, which is called Life Happens. I'm doing our Cash Rainbow game pack that's going to go up, and that allows you to save in 24 different categories that you choose yourself, your custom categories, and it comes with 24 savings card and the full bit. And then we're also doing a mini pack, which was a really popular set on my other Etsy shop, which is currently been shut down for a while. We're going to go back and reopen that, but that one is going to be a print on demand, where my shop now, which is Challenge Your Wallet, is actually our physical shop. So we have a lot of changes to make for that as well. I will tell you in advance, we have got to work in our basement. Our basement is looking like a zoo right now. We've got to get things put away. We've got to get laundry done. We got to get things sorted. It just looks crazy since we've been sick these last couple of weeks. Everything has just gone to hell in a handbasket in our house. I do have some items coming in. I will show you those later. I'm also going to show them on my prep side, but apparently they're coming in today at some point. Now, don't think that Amazon might not trick me and say, oh, it's coming in today, and then say it's delayed, because that is a possibility. We are supposed to get about 1.5 inches of snow today as well. So a lot of things are going on. So, Jesse, what number are you up to now?
Placing the last one on There we go. 21.
Okay, y'all. Here we go. Down below 21, don't put anything because we'll just put what we need to do for Etsy and we'll check it off as we go. What we'll use, you guys, is a highlighter or come back. And each day I'm going to go ahead and let you know what's going on and things that we need to be highlighting as well. So let's go ahead and work with 15. We're going to put B, zone 1. Y'all, I'm breaking my basement into 6 different zones or 6 different areas so that we can tackle one area at a time. My basement is the size of my house, y'all. Okay. So I have a main floor and I have a basement. I don't have like a 2-story house. I have a 1-story house with a massive basement. So today we're going to start in zone 1. And then, you okay, Tucker?
I need those meds. Well,
okay, Jesse, he's fine. Come here. His meds aren't ready until 10. Come on. He coughs a lot, y'all. It's just something he goes through. For the 16th, put zone 2 and then keep going down until you reach zone 6. These are 6 different zones that I have to do over the next 6 days to get our basement ready. Then she's going to go back up to zone 1. And then you know how to put like a little hashtag or a little slash or whatnot? Not a hashtag, like a slash. Also on the 15th, since we're doing zone 1 downstairs, put like a little slash after that because you're going to stay on the same line with the 15th of February. And we're also going to do laundry. So just put laundry, Laundry. Y'all, we've got so much laundry to finish and sort. It's crazy. It's insane. A lot of things are going to be leaving the house because we're getting ready for spring and summer as well. Okay, for B zone 2, which is on the 16th, put a slash after that. Because these are going to piggyback off each other.
Okay.
Is there anything else in the house that we need to do besides that? Because down here, we'll put my Etsy stuff and my YouTube stuff down here.
Okay.
There's nothing else? We just break it down into those 6 zones?
Yeah.
Okay. So, y'all, we're going to focus on the basement. We are definitely focusing on laundry hardcore today and getting things sorted, getting things taken out that don't fit, donating what we can, trashing what can't be donated, and moving ready for the spring and summer season. We are still in the winter season. Don't get us wrong. We're probably in the winter season until early May, off and on, because this is the state of Missouri, or I should call it the state of misery because of the weather. Tucker, you okay? He's all right. All right, down here, below all this,
yeah,
I want you to write Etsy, E-T-S-Y.
21 has nothing there.
Okay, so 21, leave that alone because we haven't done anything for 21. Okay, down here, I want you to write Etsy, E-T-S-Y. And down below Etsy, I want you to put 7 packs. These 7 packs, y'all, are going to represent 7 different game packs that I will be putting on my Etsy shop. After that, underneath 7 packs, I want you to write 7 S-O for scratch-offs. There'll be 7 additional scratch-offs going up in our shop this week and 7 different additional game packs. All right, y'all. Back up here under the 15th, Jessica, again, put another slash. We're going to do one more thing, and that's going to be meal prep. I am going to make a pot of vegetable soup today, y'all, and I will see and do my best.
On zone B or zone 2?
On zone 1.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
Love it, y'all. Look at that. She can erase it. Love erasable pens. I'm a little scattered brain today, y'all, so this is Jesse's first time doing this under zone 1. You put another slash and put MP for meal prep. So I plan on making a pot of vegetable soup today. We are also probably going to make a pot of chili as well. My container is coming in, the one container I talked about yesterday that I showed down, the link down in the description of that video yesterday, is coming in today as well. And I will be putting 4 of those chili portions away in this freezer compartment container that I'm getting today, and I'm super excited. So I will be showing you guys all of that today in another video, and we'll be doing my giveaway in that video as well. So again, I will try to link these stickers down below for you if I can find them in my Amazon order form. Jesse, go ahead real quick while we're here right now. Go ahead and break out our no spin, and we're going to put a no spin sticker on day number 16, y'all.
Oh, okay.
So go ahead and pop it over here. Let me see it.
Oh.
Yeah, it's underneath everything.
This?
Of course it is.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead and get us our, let's see see where we're at. No spin stickers.
I got one.
I'm way in the back, ain't I? Is this the back? Nope. I think I had it in the... Yeah, because that plastic is in the back. That's how I remember where the back's at. Okay, what month are we in, Jess, right here?
We're in November through December 24.
Yeah, that's the 24th. This is January. February.
Yep.
Here we go. All right, y'all. So we're going to do our no spin for today, which is January. January. Oh, my gosh. February 15th.
And no spin.
No spin.
That's what you're
And I'm telling you guys right now, there's going to be a lot more no spins on here. My no spin binder is coming out. You haven't seen it yet. That is up in my shop as well. I have the no spin kits singly, where you can buy just 1 month at a time. I have it in a kit, and I also have a binder where you can actually order a binder from me as well, which is the... Give me one of those binders over there, honey. It's a binder situation that is like... Do I have my no spin binder over there, my hot pink one? This is my sinking funds. Do I have my no spin binder over there, my hot pink?
Yeah, April no spin.
Okay. All right, y'all. I've already got January in the back, so I'm not worried about January because we're in February. But this you'll be seeing also in my savings challenge. Not only am I doing the 52-week savings challenge, which I have a scratch off that I have made for my shop and for myself. This is the February no spend, and I am going to do it the easy way. So I will go back here. We'll find out in this binder all my no spends, and then I will correspond that with these days. So for today, for sure, February 15th, instead of putting $15 into here, what I'm going to put is I'm going to add the 5 and 1 together for the lower income portion of being able to cash stuff. I'm going to put $6 in for the 15th. Again, I'm going to add a 1 plus 5 to make $6. So this is the February. If you buy the whole set, you get all the no spin stickers like we just showed you the no spin stickers that we are using right now. You'll get one for every single month, and you will get all of the no spins as well. Plus you get the sleeves and you get your choice of binder color. It is a disc-bound binder. If you choose to buy just one single set, there is no binder, but you will get your no spin set. And each no spin set always comes with a companion one. For February, it is date night. What was March? Oh, March, just so y'all know, March is coming up as emergency fund. So you guys are going to see me cash stuff this. I'm going to have to backtrack. I'm sorry.
Emergency cash.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Oh, okay.
You'll see me backtrack on here this week. Another thing is I've decided to make sure that I'm still doing these in laminated for my customers, but I'm also going to give you an unlaminated copy with it as well in case people don't like the lamination. But as I always tell you, keep these because you can always throw them right back on your printer and make another copy, y'all. That's just for that purpose. So I'm probably going to do the no spins myself with a paper copy, a cardstock copy versus the lamination copy, but I wanted to show you that. So that is what we have for you right now. I am waiting for my Amazon order to come in. I have a 24-pack of vegetable, what are those little cubes? Oh my gosh.
Beef bouillon.
It's a vegetable bouillon cube. Thank you, Jesse. I've lost it. Vegetable bouillon cubes are coming in. My 6.5-inch cast iron skillet that I talked to you guys about is coming in. And also the other thing that was coming in was the container that I showed you in the description of last video because I don't have it yet. That's coming in, and that's going to hold 4 1-cup meal portions. And it comes with a lid, so it's going to be beautiful. And I'm going to be able to make ahead meals. We are going to go back to the basics, y'all. And you'll see that a lot if you're on my prepper side of my videos. Without Limits Missouri Prepper, make sure you run over there and make sure you're subscribed over there because we're going to start doing some cooking over there, meal prepping. And y'all, like I said, we're going back to basics, okay? We're going back to before convenient foods. And we are going to start making things from scratch. We're going to start going ahead and making homemade freezer meals for things like now when I'm sick. Instead of getting takeout food and things of that nature or just grabbing a sandwich because nobody wants to cook, we can pull something out of the freezer, put it right into the oven, and not have to worry about it at all. So, big lesson learned with me being sick these last couple of weeks of being able to do something really quick, really easy, because I made it in advance. So anyways, any questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, let us know in the comment section down below. Tomorrow we'll be back. We'll hopefully stick a no spin sticker on our binder for the 16th of February. And we'll come back and hopefully zone 1 has been highlighted along with the laundry being done and along with meal prep. If I don't get it done all that time, then we'll highlight what we got done, and then we can just keep on working down this list. Whatever doesn't get done with this list, we'll move to next week's list. So that is how we're keeping everything organized. I've got a lot of things going on in this house. We got a lot of things to do, y'all. So with that being said, don't forget, I do have a savings challenge cash stuffing coming up, and I also have an actual cash stuffing for my sinking funds coming up as well. All right, y'all, take care. We'll catch you in the next video. Until then, bye for now.